Hey dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this sultry gray-eyed look that I achieved for only $2 using this LA Colors palette that I purchased from my local Dollar General. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. Good morning! Whew! I am so tired, but I'm going to get my day started by prepping my face with my Fenty Beauty face primer. I've been really enjoying this lately. It smells amazing and it have been controlling my oily skin. And I'm going to start off also with my primer for my eyelids. So with the one for my fingertips, I'm going to take this primer and I'm going to blend it up all the way towards my brow bone. And then I'm going to go straight into using my LA Colors bronzer. This is called Tan. I'm just using it to set the primer and to create some warmth in my eye for the palette. Can you believe this palette was only $2? Look at that color pigmentation that it's giving off. Color you see, you are definitely going to get. So as you can see, I'm mixing the first light gray and kind of dark gray eyeshadow, popping it directly in my crease, and I'm blending in a windshield type motion, being sure to keep it underneath my brow bone. And then I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base. Using an eyeshadow base really helps to make your eyeshadows pop that much better when applying them. So I took the base and put it on my fingertips. Well, with my fingertips, I put it on the mobile area of my eye. Go back into the palette and taking the lighter gray and the medium gray color, and with a flat shader brush, I'm focusing that in only on the mobile area of my eye. As you can see, only on the mobile area of my eye with a flat shader brush. I love LA Colors Cosmetics. They are so affordable, and the quality of the eyeshadows can honestly rival the designer and high-end eyeshadows too, but at a fraction of their cost. So I went back and picked up my white milk eyeshadow base and popping it in the tear ducts. This is what's going to help open up my eyes with reflective light when I apply this very light silver grayish eyeshadow color. Look at that right there. Look at how seamlessly it's blending onto my eyelid. So gorgeous. And to say it's only $2, insane. I mean, this eyeshadow palette is serving all kinds of savings with a fabulous look without you having to break your bank for it too. So like I said, I'm popping that directly on the inner tear ducts just to open up my eyes with reflective light. And now I'm taking the black portion of the eyeshadows, and just a little bit of this is going to go a super long way. This is how I create the definition into my eyes, by focusing in just on the outer V. I'm smoking out that outer V, keeping it centered on the outer V, and just going in a windshield, in a V type motion. Off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner, and not bad. And I'm using my InStylish makeup sponges for the very first time. I have a separate video all about it in the description box below. So with my makeup spoolie, which I will also link this down below, this actually helps you to get all of your all the residue of your foundation, especially if it's liquid, out of its bottle where you can't reach it. So I like using this to just dab my foundation all over the perimeters of my face. And with my InStylish makeup sponge, here's where I blend out my makeup, my liquid foundation. What I like about this InStylish makeup sponge is honestly not absorbing all of my liquid foundation. It's actually moving it all over my face to give me an even distribution. I mean, I'm impressed. That sponge is worth it, honey. And I didn't have to break my bank for that either. It will be down in the description box below. So now, per usual, I'm highlighting underneath the areas of my eyes. I'm using my oldie but goodie Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser. Going in for some contour with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour Kit. And I'm going to blend out that highlight, and I'm going to blend out that contour again using my InStylish makeup sponge. I can't say this enough. This sponge has super exceeded my expectations. I see why so many other influencers or beauty gurus have been using makeup sponges. And with that same makeup sponge, I'm going to chisel out my cheekbone area by using my face setting powder. Once I get that going, I'm again continue to blend out the highlight and underneath the areas of my eyes. Now, I'm not much of a blush wearer, so best believe a little bit of this is going to go a super long way for me. I also decided to take my facial blending brush and, brush away where I did that contour with my makeup face setting powder to chisel out my cheekbone area. Touch it back up with a little bit more blush. And now, this is something new that I've been trying. These white dots, just like that. I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of the beauty gurus use, like rhinestones or something like that. Well, I'm a practical girl. I like saving my coins. So I thought that, hey, using some white eyeliner would be suffice. And I'm just trying this out. I don't know if I'll be using it again. It was just something that I was giving a try. So now I'm smoking out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to move into outlining my lips, and I'm using my Milani Cosmetics lip pencil. Absolutely loves it. And I'm also going to apply my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy, which will soon be available for purchase, topped with some Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And as I apply this lip gloss, I'm now going to share with you all my final thoughts. Not bad. I mean, this eyeshadow look came out way better than I anticipated earlier in this video. I mean, LA Colors really came through with using this black lace palette right here. Yeah, it did that. On that note, dolls, this is now concluding the video. And this palette is available in your local Dollar General. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in another one again shortly. Later, dolls.